Good morning, students. Welcome to your Montessori maths class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, open book page number 101. Book page number 101. Here's the practice sheet. Here's the practice sheet. Here's activities on book page number 101. These are the different activities. What comes after, before, what comes between, and also here's the backward numbers. Let's start our first activity, which is what comes before. What comes before? 19. It's a 19 number, 1919. What comes before 19? Let's count from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Kids, what comes before 19? Here's the 18 number. 18. Write here 18 in box. 20. Here's the 20 number. And what comes before 20? 19. Write 19. 13. Here's the 13 number. What comes after? What comes before 13? 12. 12. 28. 28. What comes before 28? 27. Right here 27. 25. Kids, what comes before 25? 24. 24 and then 25. It's 11 number. Kids, what comes before 11? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So kids, what comes before? 10. Here's the 10 number. Now what comes after? 15. What comes after now? After 15, 16, 17. What comes after 17? Here's the 18 number. 22, 23. Okay kids. Now what comes between? What comes between? You have to complete what comes after and then what comes between 17 and here's the 19. What comes between 17 and 19? 17 and 18. 18. Here's the 18 number. 15 and 17. 15 and 17. What comes between? Here's the 16 number. 15, 16, 17. 9 and 11. What comes between? 10. What comes between? 10 number. 9, 10 and 11. 22 and 24. 23. What comes between? 23. 22, 23 and 24. Now come to backward counting. Let's write 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and then 0. Kids, it's a backward counting. Now kids, it's your turn to complete book page number 101. Write here what comes before, what comes after, what comes between and here's backward counting. Kids, do your work properly because this time we will not repeat same work in class. Allah Hafiz.